Should I secure him here?
No, we take him with us.
You can't do this!
Blow me.
Hey!
Prep for entry to the hive.
Shamasei! Skydiving salamanders? We're just looking at an article about lunar volcanoes, and now researchers are studying how salamanders glide through the air. These salamanders live on redwood trees, but this could confirm salamanders relating to Hufflepuff. Salamanders are amphibious and associated with fire. Apparently, they can also glide through the air pretty well. Wandering salamanders live in some of the tallest trees in the world. They are also known to jump when disturbed. Now, scientists report in the journal Current Biology on May 23rd that these salamanders rely on postures much like those of skydiving humans to help slow and control their fall. Quote, although hundreds of species of lungless salamanders are known to climb, aerial behavior had not been described, said Christian Brown, a doctoral candidate at the University of South Florida and lead author on the study. Quote, our investigation of aerial behavior revealed that highly arboreal species of salamanders, especially the wandering salamander, reliably engage in parachuting and gliding to slow and direct their descent. After first reading about the wandering salamander in National Geographic magazine in high school, Brown says he never stopped thinking about them. Years later, while working with wandering salamanders at Humboldt State University, he saw that the amphibians would readily jump from his hand or a redwood branch before quickly and consistently assuming skydiving postures. He wanted to find out whether and how this unexpected aerial behavior came into play in nature. In the new study, he and colleagues including Eric Sath, Robert Dudley, and Stephen DeBon described the salamander's aerial performance in which they maintain stable gliding postures by adjusting their legs and tail. In wind tunnel experiments, the salamanders parachuted consistently, slowing their vertical speed by up to 10% while falling. They also coupled parachuting with the undulations of their tail and torso to effect gliding at non-vertical angles at about half of the time. So I guess they have special salamander wind tunnels? Quote, to observe salamanders, which are generally associated with ponds and streams in the air, is a bit unexpected in and of itself, Brown said. Quote, most surprising to us was the exquisite level of control that the more arboreal salamanders had in the vertical wind tunnel. Wandering salamanders were especially adept and seemed to instinctively deploy skydiving postures upon first contact with the airstream. Quote, these salamanders were not only able to slow themselves down, but also used fine-scale control in pitch, roll, and yaw to maintain upright body postures, execute banking turns, and glide horizontally. This level of aerial control was unexpected because these salamanders do not seem to possess conspicuous features for aerial control. Brown said what he finds most noteworthy is that the salamanders, and presumably other animals, don't necessarily need flashy control surfaces such as webbing or skin flaps to parachute and glide. He wonders what other animals might have hidden skydiving abilities. Brown hopes that the findings will help attract attention to this unique species and its old-growth canopy world. Do the salamanders relate to Hufflepuff? And why is Ravenclaw's color blue? SuperCarlinBrothers may have found the answer.
What exactly is the function of a rubber duck?
That can't be it, right? Hard to tell.
So given that these amphibious salamanders can also glide through the air, could this explain Newt Scamander's interest in magical creatures? There's this game on Windows 98 that focused on these 4 groups.
Darkin Sentry Hawk. Union Heavy Assault Hawk. Merc Sentry Hawk. Escort Sentry Hawk.
This could again relate to the 4 points on the Mazzaroth. Do you agree? Thanks for watching. Arigato. Mata ne.